Hi, Dick and Chad, and all the loyal fans in the chat room. Today, I actually am showing the product when I'm starting the video. I'll show it to you very quickly, and I think a lot of people, Dick, Chad, and the people in the chat room might want to get one of these. It's pretty cool. So this is the BG Power Bank Grip 10,000 milliamp hours MAH battery slash sort of monopod type, or hand grip, I should say, to charge your phone or your GoPro while you're actually filming, which is pretty cool. So this is what I did. I like to film landscape, so I use my GoPro for that on the top of my car. And I've been wanting to get something where I don't have to get out of the car and change the batteries out when I'm filming a certain scenic, really nice road or highway. So I found this. It's just awesome. It is about, I'm going to say, about 7.5 inches in height. Doesn't weigh too much, so it's not going to get your hand tired when you're holding it up. Most of my filming is done on my iPhone and my GoPro. On my GoPro, I'll be using it like this. As you can see, I have the cover, the battery cover for the GoPro with the opening on the bottom. This is not waterproof at all, so if it rains or don't get any water, it is a battery. Don't get any water on it. It has 2 ports. It has a USB-A that you use to actually charge the actual device, and it has a charge port that you use to charge up the actual stick. It takes several hours to charge up, but in my testing, non-scientific testing, with a battery installed in the GoPro and using this to constantly charge it, I got a total of 7 hours and 37 minutes of continuous filming. That is awesome. It's easy to convert to whatever you want to do with it. It has a screw on top, an opening on the bottom for any typical, 3.5 camera mount or tripod. It comes with a little tripod. This little thing. Manual, USB-C, tripod, and the actual charger. It comes with it. Everything else you'll have to get on your own. And you can actually carry it around like this with the actual tripod. You can close it and make it even longer if you like. Nice grip, rubbery here. It's really nice idea. All right, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.